How to log in to Uber Eats driver account. So if you want to log in to Uber Eats driver account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar search for Uber Eats driver login, and then here on the first search you will have www.uber.com. Click on that, and here you will have options. So you will have driver and rider option. So if you want to log into your driver account, then click on driver, and to log in you can also sign in with your Google account, or you can also sign in with your Apple. But if you want to enter your phone number or email address, then enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to click on continue. And now you have to enter the 4-digit code which Uber has sent to your mobile number. And if you didn't get the code, then you can click on I didn't receive a code, and then you will receive the code again. And after entering the code, you have to click on continue. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Uber Eats driver account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.